everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We all know that finger millets are rich in iron content, and hence most people are under the opinion that it can cause a lot of heat in the body. But do you know that when combined with curd, they act as wonderful body coolant? If not, that's exactly what you're going to see now. I'm going to show you an age-old traditional Ragi Kanji recipe which is famous in the southern parts of India. This tends to cool down the body as well as provide sufficient nutrients. So let's get started and check out this absolutely healthy and wonderful Ragi Kanji. As you can see, I have fermented quarter cup of ragi flour in water overnight. Fermenting the ragi flour develops natural probiotics in it. These probiotics improve digestion and overall gut health. The next morning, it looks like this, and you have to remove the froth formed on the top. After the foam is removed, mix the ragi flour with the remaining water and keep it aside. Now take a pot or a saucepan and add about 3 cups of water to it. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. Heat the water and then add the ragi mixture. Mix it all well and let it thicken. This takes about 15 minutes. Keep the flame on medium and keep stirring it at intervals. If you want to check if it's cooked or not, dip your fingers in water and then touch the ragi mixture. If it doesn't stick, it's an indication that it's cooked fully. At this point, you can turn off the heat and cool it down. After cooling down, the ragi mixture thickens like this. It is totally normal, so don't worry. So this is how we want it. Now take some fresh thick curd. I've already made a video on how to make thick curd in a mud pot. I'll give you the link in the description, do check it out. Add the curd to the ragi mixture and add some finely chopped shallots to the same. You can replace them with some normal onions if you like. Next, I'm adding 2 de-seeded green chilies that has been finely chopped. Lastly, add some finely chopped coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix all this well and whisk it. The mixture is very thick, I'm adding water. Now add the water and mix well. That's it. Our Ragi Kanji or Nachni Kanji is ready to be served. You can simply transfer it to a mud pot and keep it naturally chilled and enjoy this drink whenever you want. You can enjoy this drink in any season as it is rich in nutrients like calcium, iron and fiber. This is a great drink for diabetics too as it is low on glycemic index. So you can see how easy it was to make that, and I would say this is a wonderful and healthy and nutritious drink that everybody can have. But I do suggest this to women post their 30s and also for children in their growing age because it makes their bones stronger. So do try this recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends, and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.